Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah flags off ERSS vehicle in Bengaluru. Home Minister Amit Shah, who arrives on the two-day visit to Karnataka on Saturday, laid the foundation stone for establishing a unit of rapid action force at Bantravati in Sivakumar district. The RAF, the specialized wing of the Central Reserve Police Force, will be the first battalion of its kind in the state. The state government has provided the CRPF with 50.29 acres of land for the purpose. The unit at the Bantravati will cater to the needs of 39 districts spread over Karnataka, Kerala and Goa. The RAF is specialized in handling riots and other major law and order situations. Mr. Shah said Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa had written to him seeking an RAF unit in the state, promising suitable land. The unit would help ensure peace in Karnataka and neighbouring states, said Mr. Shah. Among government officials, the job of the police is the toughest. We need to change the way we look at the police. The police do not get a holiday even to celebrate the festivals. They will be on the field to maintain law and order. Many have sacrificed their lives while on duty, he said. The centre, under the leadership of Narendra Modi, had taken many steps to modernize the police force. The government had allotted Rs 800 crores for the purpose. We have started Indian National Defence University and National Forensic Science University, the first of its kind in the world. I suggest the Chief Minister set up colleges in Karnataka with affiliations to these universities, he said. Stating that recognizing the sacrifice of the police personnel, the centre had set up a National Police Memorial in Delhi. He appealed to the public to visit the memorial. Your gesture to appreciate the police force and their sacrifice would boost their morale of the force, he said. The establishment would involve officers' quarters, a central school, a hospital, parade ground, playground and other essential amenities.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಯ ಗೃಹ ಸಚಿವರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಅವರೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ BS ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ ಅವರೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ERSS 112 ಅನ್ನು ಬಲಪಡಿಸಲು 150 ತುರ್ತು ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ ವಾಹನಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಶಾನೆ ತೋರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಗೃಹ ಸಚಿವರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಅವರನ್ನು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಲು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸರ್, inspired by UP 100, we started Namma 100. Namma 100 means in Kannada, My 100 for Bangalore city in the year 2017. State of Karnataka rolled out Namma 112 for rest of the state as single point of contact for citizens in distress, especially vulnerable sections of society, including women and children.
Ladies and gentlemen, flag off ceremony of Emergency Response Support System 92 ERSS vehicles will now be flagged off. Here is the moment, ladies and gentlemen. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಹಸಿರು ನಿಶಾನೆಯನ್ನ ತೋರಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುರ್ತು ಸ್ಪಂದನ ಸಹಾಯ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಒಂದೇ ಭಾರತ ಒಂದೇ ತುರ್ತು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 112 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ಇದೀಗ ಲಭ್ಯ. Signaling a new beginning.
After the virtual inaugurations of the police quarters under Police Gruha 2020 schemes, under which 10,500 police quarters will be constructed in the state with an outlay of Rs 2,700 crore. Police Gruha 2025 in various parts of the city, the Home Minister said Karnataka's fight against the pandemic was very good and appreciated in the Bengaluru police role in maintaining the law and order during the lockdown. He also inaugurated Indian Reserve Battalion Unit's Administrative Office building at Tikota, Vijayapuram district. Our reporter-in-chief Karnataka, John Prem, and news presenter Pinky.
To watch news about police, Please like the National Police News Plus YouTube channel and also like the videos, gather the information, share the information and subscribe for more and more informations from us.